Don't come. Okay, just come.
Just come.
Yeah.
Hey,
So that is my strength, guys.
I told her I've been seeing you on TVs and then on TV or YouTube.
Yeah, me I asked YouTube.
Because that YouTube I usually saw it on my TV.
Okay.
So I just wanted to surprise her. No. Cha kusima.
Nafinya hapo. Nikinini tena hivyo tu.
Hivyo.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you also so much for those who subscribed and also the new subscribers. Thank you so much for those who have given me support. I appreciate so much. So today, Sunday, do you know what, guys? There are so many things that you can think maybe you know everything, but you know people who surrounds you can be of a great help to you. Imagine I've just met a new friend. I think one of my subscribers also is coming from very far, and he has taught me amazing thing. Imagine I've been having this stick, the one that I'm holding, yeah, you cannot see it, yeah, but it is the one that is holding my phone, and he has taught me how to use it. I'm so excited. So can you meet a new friend?
Hi guys.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Nice Mom, for hosting me on your channel.
Thank you.
I'm Adek
Okay.
from Kirinyaga. I came all the way from Kirinyaga.
Okay, can you, okay, the initials.
Yeah.
It is Adi.
Adek, the African boy. That's my channel, my YouTube channel.
Okay,
and also, please go and check me. Remember, you can subscribe to me.
Okay.
Share, comment. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So guys, kindly remember to subscribe to his channel. Okay, yeah. His name is yeah, you'll just, okay, let him just open the phone, and then he'll be showing you the name of the channel. Yeah. So let's nimeiona vizuri iko sawa. Iko sawa. Okay guys, are you seeing the name of the channel? Yeah, on my screen. Yeah. Okay, kindly go support him. He's a visitor in our village. I'm meeting him for the first time. So that name is hard. You know me, let me see it on your phone first. The name, I just want to pronounce it the way it is.
I'll give you the link.
It's okay, there's no problem. So it is Andy K, the African boy. Kindly go and support him. Remember guys, I always tell you one thing, that we like visitors. True. And imagine we like visitors. I got a lot
of new friends here, and
okay.
People here are very kind.
Very kind.
Yeah, starting with Marwa.
Marwa,
I've never met people like the one that
you've met. Yeah. So yes, Marwa is our son. Yeah,
blessed.
Marwa is our son here.
True. Yeah.
Okay, I think you've been seeing my videos.
True, yeah.
Almost all these YouTubers, they pass through my hands. You know, even some of them, they speak good English, more than I can do.
Yeah, but I do tell people that English came from very far. It's not our language.
It is not
so
our language.
So if you see us struggling, please guys appreciate
But
us.
you know what, Andy? Me, when somebody has gone through my hands, and then this person can do this thing better. Yeah. And it shows that you're successful.
Yeah, sure. You yourself, you are the one who is more successful.
Yeah, exactly.
He has passed from you.
From you. Yeah. Like, okay, when you see most of the YouTubers around, okay, it is Marwa who brought this thing, and everybody, okay, these young men, they are embracing it. Yeah. So you can see when there are people that are coming up, and you can see the way, that speed. Yeah. True. And this shows that Marwa is successul. Yeah. Exactly. So that is why we love him. Yeah. So you're coming from?
I'm coming from Kirinyaga. I came on Wednesday. I have been here all through those days. I've met Marwa. Yeah. That really helped me. I've met so many YouTubers.
Okay.
I've met Nice Mom here.
Nice Mom here.
Actually, we have met on the road, guys. And I told her I've been seeing you on TVs, and then on TV or YouTube.
Yeah, me, I am on YouTube.
Because that YouTube, I usually saw it on my TV.
Okay.
So I just wanted to surprise her.
In fact, he's just met me, and I was like, am I looking the same? Okay, when you look at me on YouTube and physically.
Actually, I've seen you more than young.
Young.
Yeah. You know, we saw you as somehow fat, a bit fat. But I've
seen that. Guys, can you look at my outfit today? You're saying that I'm young?
Yeah, exactly. That's not the way that
in fact, you've said, like, I met another YouTuber, he's called somebody, Irene_Jeps.
Irene.
And he said, when we're seeing you on YouTube, it's like you're very old.
Yeah.
Huh? But yeah, I see you physically, you look so young.
Yes, you look so young at least.
Guys, in fact, I'm celebrating my jubilee. I'm 50 years.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
You know, at times for ladies,
50,
it is not easy to say their age.
50. You have some other 10 years of working.
Yeah, 10 years. But then you see, okay, 50 years is much, yeah?
No, that's not much.
Yeah, okay. So I always say the truth.
Yeah.
So when I tell people that I'm 50, they are like, what? How comes?
How comes? Even me, I'm wondering.
Yeah. So you know, it's that, okay, when you adapt a certain lifestyle. Yeah. Okay, me, I always say that, okay, I have so many challenges, but always laughter is my strength. Me, I laugh so much. In fact, if somebody has done for me something that that has not augured well with me, okay, for that time I'll not feel, okay, I'll feel that heaviness and all that. But after a short time, then I'll just laugh.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Hey,
so that is my strength, guys.
Nice mom.
Yeah, nice mom.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, and then you know, there's a time I was making a video and then I said, you know, when you adapt a certain name, then that name just follows you like this. Yani you just find yourself, you're doing those nice things.
True.
Yeah. So my name is Nice, and it comes from, okay, my official name is Eunice. So I removed the U and then I remained with the Nice. Yeah. So it is nice meeting you.
Okay,
welcome.
Guys, please keep supporting Nice Mom.
Yeah.
She's such a kind woman. I've met her on the road.
Yeah.
And I never thought that it can have time for me.
I have to.
I'm so happy. I'm super excited.
I have to. You know
keep
what?
Keep up the good work.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll be subscribing to your channel when I get home. I'll do it immediately. To support you. So I just want to encourage you that okay, you are at the right place. And remember, okay, meeting Marwa, it is not all that easy. Actually, it is a privilege.
I have tried for the whole of last month.
Okay.
Trying to contact them, texting them, and I have never received any reply. But I decided I'll come all the way from there.
Okay.
I come and settle here.
Okay.
I've been staying here for those 3 days.
Okay.
And now I think it's my time to go back home.
I think you got some good accommodations.
No, I did not got accommodations. I took a room there at Isibania.
Isibania?
Yeah, because there are so many white people there and there are so many new visitors there. So I decided why should I disturb them and
you're very right. But for us here, we are very kind. If at all you could have met me the first day, you could have not gone.
You are earlier
crossing the door and going, and going to school. So I wish he met me. Then you could have stayed just, could have hosted you. Or okay, my house is small, guys. My house is small,
So
but I don't come. Okay, just come. Just come, and then I'll make sure. I'll make sure that they are very comfortable. Like for example, when I could have met you the first day, I could have just looked around. You know, when you are just around, you could not be using a lot of transport, and then Sirare, houses are because it is a big center. It is not like this one, so you could have used not very much, less money. So I appreciate so much. So continue supporting him. For us, this village, we love visitors. We are kind.
I have experienced that. I'm a victim of the love of this village. These guys come and contact Nice Mom here. Kind lady.
So I think you'd be staying alone. Are you waiting for the party?
Okay, for the party, I will not wait right now, but I'm coming back.
You're coming back?
I'll come back for the party.
Okay, just come back,
Everything is organized.
Okay. Have you met other YouTubers
around? So many. I've met so many YouTubers.
Have you made videos with them?
Yeah.
I like that.
Super videos. I've made so many videos with them.
Okay.
I'm super happy.
So long as you'll be here, try meeting the ones that you've not met and make video of our place. Our place is so nice. So if at all there's something that you've not gone, let them show you. If you will be interested in knowing where I teach, you can come and maybe when you talk about you know this, whom have you made a video with? Marwa, another person, Mayugno.
There's so many actually.
There are so many, you cannot remember them.
Like more than 10.
10, more than 10. So do you know almost all of those YouTubers I taught them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I taught them. Yeah,
Oh.
I taught them. They were my students. Yeah, they were my pupils. Wow. Oh, but Marwa, no. Oh, Marwa was ahead. But Marwa learned in the same school that I'm teaching. Yeah, that I'm teaching. Yeah. So I'm so happy when I see them doing their things and maybe their talents coming out, and then it's like they are prospering. Yeah. So I'm very happy. I'm happy for them. Sure. Yeah. So because I taught them, now I'm looking forward. You guys, I'm looking forward for these YouTubers to teach me.
Yeah. So they should be checking on you.
Yeah. Let them teach me.
I wish I could have known you there before. I could have challenged them.
There's no problem. In fact, they are giving me support.
And they are here. Some are within this year.
They're giving me support. Sure. I've been meeting them, and I know because we are here, they'll be teaching me. And they teach me. They teach me a lot.
This is a journey.
Yeah, it's a journey. Yeah. So thank you so much for meeting you. I don't know, where were you going?
Okay, I was going at this shopping center.
Yeah. There is a shopping center.
What do you call it?
Nyabohanse Center. Yeah.
And then I was thinking of relaxing. There's another YouTuber that I'm supposed to meet by 3.
By 3?
Yeah. So I wait whether I can get him.
Okay.
If not, then I'm thinking of traveling by night.
Or tomorrow. So
welcome
depend
back. With how I will meet.
Okay.
That YouTuber.
Okay, it's okay. So welcome back to our village. Yes, so I know when you'll be coming, you'll exploit so many things.
Sure.
I know there are some things that you've seen in our village that are not in your village.
Yeah.
Are you coming from the village or you're coming from the
the village? From the village, yeah.
So
and
make
so
sure.
By the weather here is so conducive.
Yeah, many trees.
Yeah, many trees.
Many trees, guys. Look. I don't know if you can see them. Many trees everywhere. That is why we have that fresh air. Yeah.
Good people. I've seen so many things.
So many things around. So make sure when you go back, just show us how your village is. We'll be very happy. Yeah. And for us here, we are showing the world how our village life is. In fact, now I'm going to do a video on something. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I'll be. Make sure you watch it. This video until the end.
Sure.
I'll be putting his link. So you'll be supporting him.
Yes, guys. Please
support him.
Support us. Support us. Support us.
Okay, support us. I always say they support their mom.
Yeah. Support our mom and keep up.
Okay.
Keep up the good work, mom.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so guys, we are ending the video. I'm so excited. I'm privileged to meet you. Yeah. So we can just say to our viewers, bye. We love you. We love you so much from the village.